Okay, it is, what time now? Almost 2 fucking clock. And we are still here at Joe's place playing motherfucking pool. Bitch, you hit me, I'ma fucking lick you. You're not, bitch, you got raisins.
You got raisins.
Motherfucker. So anyway, yeah, bitch, you try, bitch. You try. Stop them on my forehead, bitch. Gonna only take middle of my forehead, you asshole. Anyway, yes, it is 2 o'clock in the fucking morning, and we are still playing pool. As you see, we are still playing pool. Look at these frickas.
Right there. Oh.
Come on now, like, seriously, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god. But, yes, we are still tweaking. Okay? Yes, we are still
5 balls in a row.
Oh, really?
Yep, I love them all.
Yes, that was Tihani. And this is her boyfriend. Yes, Jim Carrey looking motherfucker. That's who that is. Yes, okay. But I'll see you folks later. Peace.